In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to hide a folder or a number of folders within your PC. So to hide your folder, all you need is to select the folder, right click on it, and then you can come to more options over here. You can come to properties, and then you can see hidden over here at the general tab. So you can just click on hide or hidden, and this is going to appear as hidden. So once you click, you can come down here and click on apply, and then you can apply to this folder only, or apply to this folder and subfolders within it. So let's say to this folder only and say okay to this, and we can say okay. Now this folder is appearing hidden, but you can see it is dashed. So to make it completely disappear, you have to come over. You have another settings. Select your folder. You can come anywhere to these three dots. You can click. You can come down to options, and then you can come to view over here. So you can have do not show hidden files. And once you hit on apply and say okay to this, and when you go back to your desktop, you'll notice that that folder is gone. Okay, so that is how to hide any folder. When you select it, you can right click on it, come to more properties, and then come to properties, make it hidden. And once you click on apply, now that we've enabled it from the other folder option, once you click on OK and say OK to this, that folder is gone. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.